Hey, happy Saturday, everybody. It's Brandon James Kirk. I'm with Planet Duct Air Duct Cleaning. I'm on a roof in the 80925 area code here, southeast part of town. I've got a dryer vent that we just cleaned out. The homeowner had tried to use one of those brushes that you get from the local hardware store, and while it was up inside of there, most of the way to the top, it became unscrewed and got stuck inside, blocking all his airflow. He had a pretty severely impacted vent. You can see all this hardened lint. I mean, some of it's hard, some of it's soft, and then we've got the flapper, which was just completely encased in this stuff. So if you've got a dryer vent, please do not try to clean it yourself with the brush you get from the hardware store. These inferior materials get stuck, and then you end up having to call me out to do it right, and to also get this brush unstuck and removed from your system. This one was not too hard. It was actually pretty easy to get out. Some other ones, though, they get so bad, the only way to get them out is to cut open your drywall and your ceiling. So please, if you're going to have your dryer vent cleaned in Colorado Springs area or southern Colorado, call the guys at Planet Duct. We do it right. We are stronger than the vacuum of space, and we'd love to serve you. So again, Planet Duct in southern Colorado. Thank you all, and have a great weekend. Catch you all next week.